we are witnessing a sharp increase in the resistance of microorganisms to currently used antibiotics. In addition, we are becoming aware that biofilms are important factors in microbial persistence. Thus, our research is focused on finding new types of antibiotics with anti-biofilm activity.
It is important to distinguish between two types of activity: antimicrobial activity, which affects microbial growth or survival, and anti-biofilm activity, which affects only biofilm formation.
Currently, two different methods are used to distinguish between antimicrobial and anti-biofilm activity, making the determination of bioactive agents' properties lengthy and expensive. Our method, named SIMBA, enables simultaneous discrimination between antimicrobial and anti-biofilm activity by growth analysis of Salmonella enterica without addition of reagents and results known within 20 hours. The method SIMBA helps to reduce time and cost of screening a large number of samples. It can be useful for companies and research organizations developing new antibacterial compounds and for contract laboratories measuring the efficacy of antibacterial agents.
The SIMBA method is patent pending. If you would like to use it, please contact us.